Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have your SIM and carrier APN details ready, so start now. On Android, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, then Access Point Names. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular Data Network. If you don't see the APN section, make sure mobile data is enabled and the SIM is active. Some providers hide fields until data is on. Once in the APN list, tap the plus icon or New APN to begin entering the carrier-provided values. You'll now input the precise parameters the carrier gave you. For name, use a recognizable label. For APN, enter the exact string. Proxy and port are rarely needed. Leave blank unless specified. Enter username and password only if provided. Make sure MCC and MNC match your SIM. Authentication type is typically PAP or CHAP or none. Set APN type to default or include MMS, SUPL, IMS if instructed. After filling each field, pause to verify characters. Incorrect case or an extra space breaks the connection. Once you've saved the new APN, make sure to select it as the active profile and reboot your phone so settings fully apply. After restart, test by loading a web page and sending an MMS. Verify data symbol appears. If it fails, reset APNs to default or re-enter values carefully, checking for typos. As a key tip, request the carrier's provisioning profile or ask support to push settings if problems persist. Try a SIM swap or confirm the plan includes data and MMS services.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.